It's my girl right here. Put these on. I'm gonna take that off pretty soon. Ordered a new one. 2008 CBR 600. I'm gonna paint these black this weekend. My Yoshi. Full of exhaust. There's my box over there. Just gotta waiting for my dyno jet. My power commander. 5. Get that bad boy put in. Show you guys how to install that first time. Show myself too. My license plate. I don't know, my lights are stuck on. Yep. I gotta put my new headers on. I feel like I have my full exhaust, but I'm just gonna wait till I get my dyno, because I'm gonna do a coolant flush. End up painting these all black. I don't like any chrome or silver or whatever you call that, metal. As long as it's black. My chain. It's time for a new cleaning. I like that thing crisp. I like this dirty ass bike right here. Motherfuckers never cleaned it one time. Look at this chain. Yep. That shit's fucking nasty. Oh yeah. Nope. Can't live like that. I don't know what this is doing over here. This bad boy though. It's my baby.